The Assistant Tool 2 can be used in two ways. First, by taking a piece of folded sanding paper and placing it in the slot, and then attaching it either to the sanding tool or the multi-extension shaft, and then attached to a drill or angle grinder. Second way is to take a strip of paper, insert it into the slot, and then wrap it clockwise down the shaft, securing the end with a piece of tape. Then either fitting it into the sanding tool or the multi-extension shaft to fit in your drill.